Hey, what's going on, everyone? Coach Peters here. So today we are going to go over the PE website outline. So we're making, or it's already done, the PE website. So I want to give you a little breakdown on what is going on and what you should expect. So page one up here on the green, little green eye over here. That is our welcome page. That's page one. So here we'll have our class schedule for the week. You can click on there, see if you have, if you're a day one or a day two, or depending on some situations, you could be a certain color, maybe blue day or gold day. Um, Next, you'll be able to find my contact information via email and possibly you could or actually my phone extension will be on there. If your parents need to reach out, they would be able to contact the school or email me. And if your parents need to contact directly, they would be able to email me. And then if they needed to talk, I could give out my phone number to them. And then we would have the class syllabus, what to expect in a class, how you were graded, and what is going on throughout the year, and what are your expectations. Now moving down, we have page two in the red over here. This is classroom info, units we are working on, lessons for the week, and especially since we are PE, we don't use the website all the time. We're mostly hands-on. But you will be able to check and see what type of clothing you should bring for the week. Sometimes we're inside or outside. Sometimes it could be the fall and it could be cold out, but we still want to utilize the outdoors, especially if we're doing a certain unit. So just click on that. You could always go to page two to find out related info. Now, page three. Page three is sports rules and info. So this will be videos of rule breakdowns, so I can break down a sport such as, let's go with basketball. You get fouled. I break down if you're in the act of shooting, you would get 2 foul shots. If you didn't make it, if you made it, you have what is called an and one. You get 1 foul shot at the line. Just little things like that. Other helpful tips of what unit or maybe sport we're working on. And then we also have diagrams. Say, for example, where we're playing badminton and you want to look at a good visual example of the court. Well, you would be able to see the line, see where the service line is, where the um, what would be like the 10-foot line, which is you're not supposed to go reach over. All sorts of info like that. And then we're going down to page four over here, which is the dark purple. So this is video breakdowns. Page four will have me breaking down a skill or a motion. For example, this could be the underhand toss. I could show you the step by step of how that works. Another example could be a golf swing. And this can also be a page where you can have a little blog, a little Q&A. If you have some questions, you can write to me, get right back to you. Could be public, but if you're not, you can always email me any questions and I will get back to you the best I can. If not, I'll see you in class and we can talk then. And then we have up here in the yellow, page five, helpful info. So this will just be some outside sport info. Maybe you're looking to play an extracurricular sport outside, like maybe a travel baseball or AAU basketball team, soccer, all sorts of that. I can help you out by trying to find some info on that. Maybe some stress management info. You're a little stressed with some school. You like some breathing techniques, some tips of what you can do to help manage your stress. And then we also have some mental health info. Mental health is a very big piece. And you need to know maybe some outside resources. Maybe you need somebody to talk to. Maybe you need some help of getting some knowledge on who you can talk to. So that will be there too. And then lastly, up here at the top on page six, we have our sports schedule. Yes, our school has our sports schedule, so we want to know what's going on, who's playing where, at what time. You can go check that out there. You'll also be able to find practice times. Practice times could be, if I'm coaching a certain sport, you would be able to go there. If I'm the baseball coach, you'll be able to see what time the baseball team is practicing for that week. And also, there could be some game recaps on there of maybe who did what. Maybe girls basketball, Alyssa had 20 points one night. Boys basketball upset their upset the school rival. Johnny had 30 points. Just a little info on that. So this is our P website outline. If it is, our website is not out yet. It should be any time now, so look forward to that. Any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can email me, or if you see me around, just don't be scared to ask. So that is our PE website outline. Coach Peters signing out, and I hope everybody has a great rest of their day. Peace out.